Hello everyone, class 8, subject English, chapter 1st, How the Camel Got His Hump. Book It So Happened. In previous video, we have done first part of this chapter, and in this video, we have finished this chapter's second part. Let's start with our reading. As you know, in previous video, I have told you How the Camel Got His Hump is an imaginary story written by Rudyard Kipling. It is a fable about a lazy camel that would not work and simply said hump. So, let's start with our reading. Part 2. The Jinn redemonstrated with the camel who said hump. The camel's beautiful back suddenly grew a lump, which was the camel's hump. The Jinn assured the camel his hump would always be a help, not a hindrance. Hindrance means not a difficulty for him in the future. So Jinn assured him that it's your a lucky hump, not a unluckiest hump for you. The Jinn rolled himself up in his dust cloak means a big मीन्स बोल सकते हैं ड्रेसअप कर लेना अपने आप को, मीन्स रोल अप कर लिया, अपने आप को लपेट लिया. ठीक है. आफ्टर हैविंग ए वर्ड विद द थ्री, द जिन डिसअपीयर्ड बाय रोलिंग हिमसेल्फ in his dust cloak. He walked around in the desert to find the camel. He finally found the camel gazing at his own reflection in the water, as you see in the picture. The camel gazing himself in the water. My friend, said the Jinn, what's this I hear? You are doing no work. The Jinn sat down with his chin in his hand while Camel looked at his own reflection in the pool of water. The Jinn told the Camel that he had heard of him not willing to work at all. The Camel continued to look at his own reflection when the Jinn sat down with his chin in his hand. The Jinn continued to speak as he told the camel that as a consequence of his laziness, the horse, the ox, and the dog are working double time since Monday morning. Hump, said the camel. The camel only said the word hump. Again, I shouldn't say that again if I were you, said the Jinn. You might say it once too often. I want you to work. At this, Jinn talking to the camel clearly, the Jinn continued his thinking. The camel replied with his usual hump. The Jinn told the camel to better stop saying it. He added that he had been saying hump quite a lot now and how he wants him to start working instead. Means यहाँ पर अब जिन बड़े ही खड़े रुख में कैमल को कह रहा है कि अब उसे तुम्हारी हम्प नहीं सुननी है, मुझे तुम्हारी हम्प नहीं सुननी है, मुझे सिर्फ तुम्हारा जो काम करना है मुझे वो सुनना है कि तुम कब से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो. Do you see that? said Jinn. That your very own hump that you have brought upon your own self not working. Today is Thursday and you have done no work since Monday. When your work began, now you are going to work. Despite this warning, the camel replied again with a hump. As he took out the word out of his mouth, the camel noticed his back becoming bigger and bigger. The bag he was so obsessed with had now grown up into a big hump. The jinn mentions that the bulgi on his back in his hump, and it is a result of his own actions. It was Thursday and the camel hadn't done a single thing since Monday. When all the work began, the jinn clarifies that now the camel has to work. The camel, after seeing the hump, asked jinn, how can he work with something like that on his back? The jinn replied that the hump served a purpose. It will enable him to work for 3 days, because he did no work for the first 3 days without eating anything. Jinn said that he can live on his hump. He further goes on to say that the camel better not point out that the jinn never did anything for him. He asked him to get out of the desert and begin working with the tree. And the camel went away to join the tree, and from that day to this, camel always wears a hump. We call it hump now, not to hurt his feelings, but he has never yet caught up with the 3 days that he missed at the beginning of the world, and he has never yet learned how to behave. Means the camel joined the tree to work with them. Since that day, he always carries his hump along, which we now call hump. To not hurt his feelings, despite working, he has not been able to compensate for the first 3 days when the world began. Also, he did not learn to behave properly. At that time, the camel did not behave properly. So, the chapter How the Camel Got His Hump teaches that we should not waste our time by sitting idly. One who is lazy and does not perform his duties or fulfill his responsibilities on time tends to suffer in the end. It means बेटा हमें अपना जो work है, work means as a student you have to studies better way and finished your work on your own time. Then you will fulfill your duties and responsibilities on time. Okay? And then you have to lead a happy life. Means आपको अपने सारे जो काम हैं वो समय पर ही फिनिश करने चाहिए, ताकि आपको एंड में जो सफ़र मतलब जो परेशानियां होती हैं, डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस करनी होती हैं, अगर आप काम पूरा नहीं करते तो उनसे आप बच सकें. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. थैंक यू.